Party. 5, Labour Party.
For presidential election, we have no other person than Peter Obi, Labour Party candidate. I think he will sweep the votes of Nigerians.
As you can see, everybody here is voting for Labour Party.
Of course.
Because we know what Peter Obi can do. Personally, me, I've voted for Labour Party for presidential, and hopefully everybody here is voting for Labour Party. Thank you.
My expectation is that we look forward to credibility, somebody that is a man that can do the job very well, someone that is trustworthy, which is Mr. Peter Obi. He's the man of the people. He's the man of the masses. In fact, all the youth, even the children, in fact, everybody wants him, and that is who we are going for. I've casted my vote. Can you look at my hand? And I voted for him. Peter Obi is the man for the job.
Hello, my people. Good afternoon. We all know what today is. Today, of course, is the 25th of February, the day that Nigerians will choose who will be their next president. And of course, people are over here. They are eager to vote. They are standing in lines. Everybody with their PVCs. So they are waiting to vote their preferred candidate. And you know who that person is, right? So I'm going to show you guys around now to show you the people that are here, how eager they are. People are standing, people are sitting there waiting for their turn so that they will vote their candidate. Just stay tuned as I show you around this polling unit here in Anambra State.
Madam Dalo. Yeah, because we're going to have an election and a total. Can't go big to Tata.
Because now send down now. And you want police, and you want the security, and you be successful. No problem. We are not so. We are not going up. And you not going to man. If you not back and so we are so grateful that today God will give us our heart desire. But the job we are looking at today, I know people say I am a this because successful. And I say can I give it to you? But I feel when I can let it here. I'm not a candidate.
So can you to pan? Can you say no win?
Because be okute. But that you can say no ya room ya no okute. And anyway, that part is the like that there. But you follow the best. I don't put it that let's go. If I natural will tell you, they say no can. And that's it like a net here. No mega in Nigeria. I am Udo. If I am possible. If we go in line our job, it will be a line. I say let them go to town.
Dalo. Party. Obedient. 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 37, Seventy-one, 72,